Hey everyone, it's Christine here, and today I really wanted to just quickly jump on and say a huge thank you to all of you for being here and for supporting my work. I couldn't be more grateful and it truly means a lot to me, so thank you so much for being here. My channel recently hit 100,000 subscribers, which is just super mind-blowing for me. And it kind of even feels like a dream, like a happy accident, because I have to be honest, from the very beginning, it was never the intention, it wasn't the plan, it was truly kind of like an accident, because it just happened so unexpectedly. I just really randomly got into this crochet hobby and started to do all the tutorials teaching you guys how you can do all sorts of different things for yourself, and eventually it just became something that I'm just doing basically. But I'm so happy for this. I couldn't be more grateful to have you all here. It just all feels so surreal and I'm truly grateful and I'm super happy, and it truly feels so nice that so many of you are finding my work useful, that you're able to learn from what I'm doing, and it's just a nice feeling to be able to contribute to someone else's learning curve within crochet, or simply being able to put out something out there that is also helpful to others. And I'm also kind of glad and happy that my life kind of lean towards this way, because I truly feel like I have found something that I really enjoy doing almost every single day. There are so many things within crochet and pattern creating and content creating that really allows my creativity to go beyond and all over the place. So I'm so happy for that, and I just feel like I have found a passion that I'm not getting bored with, and there is just so much to do and I'm having so much fun, and I'm just so happy that all of you are also able to benefit from that. So it's just a crazy feeling that something like this can happen by accident, but nonetheless it would never been able to happen if it wasn't for you guys. So I couldn't be more grateful to have you all here, and I truly appreciate every single view that I have from you, all the likes that you are giving to my videos, and of course all the lovely comments. I truly appreciate those, and I understand that it also takes time for you to leave the message and to type it all out, especially in a world where we are living, where everyone is just so busy. But anyway, I truly appreciate it, and that's why I'm always answering to all the comments and all the questions that you are asking, because I really enjoyed it. But I know that we are also a little bit over 100k already, but it's just that I only received my reward recently, so it felt right to be able to film this video while I actually have it. And I thought of showing it to you as well. So it arrived in a box like this, and here inside there was also kind of like a letter and outlining everything, and here is the reward that I got. So here you can see it up close, and also the camera and everything. But I'm so happy. Like, this is just crazy and mind-blowing, and in a way I just cannot believe it, to be honest. And I'm just super grateful, and I feel like there's so much more to be done. This still isn't my full-time job, and that's basically my goal for the near future. I really want to build it into something that I'm able to support my day-to-day life and just be able to do more of it, because at the moment I'm just doing it on the side as a hobby, basically, on besides my actual full-time job. So the time that I can put in here is kind of limited, but I'm trying to do my best. But anyway, the hope for the future is to be able to do this full-time, so that's really my main goal. And other than that, literally have like loads of dreams and goals, and my to-do list for this page is also quite huge, but I hope everything will start to come together as soon as possible. And yeah, I'm just trying to build it into something where you are able to find almost everything, whether you're starting your crochet journey just now, so starting from all the basics and then just building up and going into something a little bit more complicated or different techniques and things like that, but more to come, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, there's just literally so much to do, so I think I will dedicate a video for that a little bit later, because I also have to put in some more thoughts into what I'm actually planning to do and how I will do it, because it is a little bit of a mess in my head, so I have to get a little bit more organized. But anyway, I'm so happy. That's my main message, that I just wanted to say thank you for being here, for supporting everything that I'm doing, and it means a lot. And if you feel like you haven't done a good thing today, then just by watching this video, it already means a lot to someone, so I'm super happy. But yeah, there is more to come, and from now on it just upwards. That's what I'm hoping for, and hopefully soon there will be more awards. So yeah, I'm just excited and grateful and happy and thankful and yeah, it's just a lot of positive emotions. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say by jumping on here. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I have already scheduled plenty, and I'm trying to do as much as I can in advance and trying to create loads of new patterns and all sorts of things within tutorials and so on. So yeah, there is more to come, but thank you. I love you all. Bye.